Start. Come on. Vaishnavi, keep your video on. Okay. Start. Everybody sit straight. Take a position of. Sorry.
I saw the Shivji. I saw the
What?
Shivji message that you gave. Yesterday, you gave a message on the Shivji, right? Mondays. I saw that. I read it.
Yeah.
That's the reason. Okay.
Okay. So let's take a position of Gyan Mudra. Keep your hands on your thighs. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath and 3 times Om. Don't open your eyes before that. Rub your palms.
Keep on your eyes. Blink your eyes and massage.
Open your eyes. Blink your eyes and massage your face. Okay. Just give me 1 second. Who have learned yesterday's shlok?
Yesterday's shlok, ma'am, was, if I'm not wrong, it was Tridalam, right?
Yes.
Ma'am, may I say?
Yeah.
Okay, just give me a minute. Yeah. त्रिदलं त्रिगुणाकारं त्रिनेत्रं क्षत्रियायुधं त्रिजन्मपापसंहारम् एकबिल्वं शिवार्पणम्.
Very nice. Who else? Anybody else who have learned? No? Yes, Vaishnavi.
त्रिदलं त्रिगुणाकारं त्रिनेत्रं क्षत्रियायुधं त्रिजन्मपापसंहारम् एकबिल्वं शिवार्पणम्.
Very nice. Very good. Anybody else? Yes, Hansika, will you try?
त्रिदलं त्रिगुणाकारं त्रिनेत्रं च त्रियायुधं त्रिजन्मपापसंहारम् एकबिल्बं शिवार्पणम्.
Very nice. Anybody else? No? Anika not learned? No? Tanasvi not learned?
Can I repeat with you?
You want to repeat with me? Okay, say Tridalam
Tridalam
Trigunakaram
Ram
Trinetram cha.
the
Your voice is cracking. Like Trinetram cha.
Trinekram cha
Netram cha.
Nekram cha
Triyayudham
Priyayudham
Trijanma
श्लोक तुम मिस कर गए स्टार्टिंग का श्लोक पढ़ना
कोई बात नहीं
Trijanma
त्रिजन्म
पाप
पाप
samharam. Can't hear you. Ek
एक बिल्बम
Shivarpanam.
शिवापरम.
Very good. Very nice. Okay. Okay. So let's learn today new shlok. Today we are going to learn a shlok which is known as Ashta Chiranjeevi Shlok. Okay. You know what is meaning of Chiranjeevi?
Ma'am,
Immortal.
Yes, Srihari.
immortal.
Immortal,
That,
right.
that one who can never die.
Yes, the one who can never die. It is Chiranjeevi, right? So these are the 8 Chiranjeevis. These are the 8 immortal beings. It is said like if you remember these 8 beings every day, okay, so you will always live a very healthy life without any disease, and you will live for 100 years. It is believed like that. Okay, that's why chanting this shloka every day helps you to keep yourself away from all kind of diseases, and with the same time you can live for more years. Like it is said like you live for 100 years if you chant this shlok every day. Okay, so I'll say the shlok, listen to it. After that I'll explain the meaning. Okay. अश्वत्थामा बलिर्व्यासो हनुमानश्च विभीषणः कृपः परशुरामश्च सप्तैते चिरञ्जीविनः सप्तैतान् संस्मरे नित्यं मार्कण्डेयमथाष्टमम् जीवेद्वर्षशतं सोऽपि सर्वव्याधि विवर्जिता. I'm repeating one more time. अश्वत्थामा बलिर्व्यासो हनुमानश्च विभीषणः कृपः परशुरामश्च सप्तैते चिरञ्जीविनः सप्तैतान् संस्मरे नित्यं मार्कण्डेयमथाष्टमम् जीवेद्वर्षशतं सोऽपि सर्वव्याधि vivarjita. Okay, so this is the shloka which we are going to learn today. So its meaning is very simple. Like we are taking the name of 8 this immortal beings, which is Ashwatthama, Bali, Vyasa, Hanuman, Vibhishan, Kripacharya, Parshuram, and Markandeya. So remembering these 8 Chiranjeevis, immortal beings, every day will keep you away from all kind of diseases, and you will be having a healthy life, and you will live for 100 years. Meaning is simple. This is only the meaning of the shlok. Okay? Yes, got it everybody? Meaning is very simple. Remembering the name of these 8 immortal beings will keep you away from all, all your, will keep you away from all kind of diseases. You will be always very much healthy, and you will live for 100 years. Okay? Meaning is this only. Okay, so let's first chant the shlok one by one. After that, I will tell you about all the beings like Ashwatthama, Bali, everybody. Okay? Yes. So I can see Anika very first. Anika, come on, repeat behind me. Yes, say. Ashwatthama,
Ashwatthama,
Bali.
Bali,
Your voice is cracking. Balir,
Bali,
Balir,
Balir,
Vyasa,
Vyasa,
I'm unable to hear you. Is it only me or everybody can hear and I am not able to hear you?
Ma'am, no
na?
one can hear her.
Huh. Repeat again, okay? Anika, come little close to mic. Ashwatthama,
Ashwatthama,
Balir Vyaso,
Balir, Vyaso,
Hanumanascha,
Hanumanascha,
Vibhishanaha,
Vibhishanaha,
Kripaha,
Kripaha,
Parshuramascha,
Parashunarama,
Parshu,
Parashu,
Ramascha,
Ramascha,
Saptaite,
सप्तैते
चिरञ्जीविनः
चिरञ्जीविनः
सप्तैतान्
सप्तैतान्
संस्मरे नित्यं
संस्मरेत् नित्यं
मार्कण्डे
मार्कण्डे
यमथाष्टमम्
हिमताष्टमम्
जीवेद्वर्ष
जीवेतरस
द्वर्ष द्वर्ष
वर्ष
शतं सोऽपि
सदं सोऽपि
सर्वव्याधि
सर्ववादि
विवर्जित
विवर्जितम्
जित विवर्जित
विदं जिदत्
विवर्जित
विवर्जित
yes after that Aditya.
Yes, ma'am. अश्वत्थामा बलिर्व्यासो हनुमानश्च विभीषणः कृपः परशुरामश्च सप्तैते चिरञ्जीविनः सप्तैतान् स्मरे नित्यं मार्कण्डेयमताष्टमं जीवेद्वर्षशतं सोऽपि सर्वव्याधि विवर्जिता.
Very nice. Yes, after that I can see Hansika.
Ma'am, can I repeat?
Yeah, sure. Say Ashwathama
Ashwathama
Balirvyaso
Balirvyasu
Hanumanascha
Hanumanascha
Vibhishanaha
Vibhishanaha
Kripaha
Kripaha
Parashuramascha
Parshunamascha
Ramascha
Ramascha
Saptaite
Saptaite
Chiranjeevinaha
Chiranjeevinaha
Saptaitan
Saptaitan
Samsmare Nityam
Smam Ma'am,
Sam
Sam
Smare Nityam
Smare Nityam
Markande
Markande
Yamathashtamam
Yamahashtamam
Yamathashtamam
Yamata Ashtamam
Jivedvarsha
Jivedvarsha
Shatam Sopi
Shatam Shopi
Sopi
Sopi
Sarvavyadhi
Sarvavyadi
Vivarjita.
Vivarjita.
Okay. Yes. Bhavya.
Yes, ma'am.
Ashwathama.
Ashwathama
When someone is repeating with me, others repeat on mute. So at least you will get familiar with the words. Okay? Yes. Bhavya say. Ashwathama.
Ashwathama
Balirvyaso.
Balirvyasu
Hanumanascha.
Hanumanascha
Vibhishanaha.
Vibhishanaha
Kripaha.
Kripaha
Parashuramascha.
Parshuramascha
Saptaite
Saptaite
Chiranjeevinaha
Chiranjeevinaha
Saptaitan. You're on mute. Saptaitan
Saptaitan
Samsmare Nityam
Samsmare Nityam
Markande
Markande
Yamathashtamam
Yamathashtamam
Jivedvarsha
Jivedvarsha
Shatam Sopi
Shatam Sopi
Sarvavyadhi
सर्वव्याधि
विवर्जिता.
विवर्जित.
Very good. Dhanasvi. Say. Ashwathama
श्वेधामा
बलिर्व्यासो
बलिव्यासुर
हनुमानश्च
हनुमान्पश्च
हनुमानश्च
हनुमाश्च
विभीषणः
विभीषणः
कृपः
कृपः
परशुरामश्च. Can't hear you. परशुरामश्च.
करुणासत्य
No, परशु
परशु
रामश्च.
रामश्च
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 सप्तैते
सप्तैतै
चिरञ्जीविनः
चिरञ्जीविनः
जीविनः
जीनिः
जीविनः.
जीने
Listen. जी
जी
वि
वि
नः.
नः
Yeah. सप्तैतान्
सप्तैतान्
सं
सं
स्मरे नित्यं. स्मरे
स्मरे
नित्यं
नित्यं
मार्कण्डे
मार्कण्डे
यम
यम
थाष्टमम्.
थाष्टहं
मम थाष्टमम्.
थाष्टमं
जिवे
जीवे
द्वर्ष
वर्ष
शतं सोऽपि शतं
शतं
सोऽपि
सोऽपि
सर्वव्याधि
सर्वभ्याति
विवर्जितः.
विभजितः
जितः.
चितः.
Yes, right. After that, Sri Hari.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, say. You know?
No, ma'am.
No, say. Ashwathama
Ashwatthama
बलिर्व्यासो
बलिर्व्यासो
हनुमानश्च
हनुमानश्च
विभीषणः
विभीषणः
कृपः
कृपः
परशुरामश्च
परशुरामश्च
सप्तैते
सप्तैते
चिरञ्जीविनः
चिरञ्जीविनः
सप्तैतान्
सप्तैतान्
संस्मरे नित्यम्
संस्मरे नित्यं
मार्कण्डेयमथाष्टमम्
मार्कण्डेययमदाष्टनं
थाष्टमम्
दाष्टमं
जिवेद्वर्ष
चिवेदर्शं
द्वर्ष
द्वर्षं
शतं सोऽपि
शतं सोऽपि
सर्वव्याधि
सर्वव्याधि
विवर्जिता
विवर्जिता
विवर्जिता.
विवर्जिता.
Yes, right. Yes, after that, Prerna ma'am.
Ma'am, can I repeat after you?
Yeah, sure. Ashwathama balirvyaso
Ashwathama बलिर्व्यासो
hanumanascha vibhishanaha
हनुमानश्च विभीषणः
kripaha parashuраमश्च
कृपुः
kripaha
कृपः
परशुरामश्च
परशुरामश्च
सप्तैते
सप्तैते
चिरञ्जीविनः
चिरञ्जीविनः
सप्तैतान् संस्मरे नित्यम्
सप्तैतान् संस्मरे नित्यम्
मार्कण्डेयमथाष्टमम्
मार्कण्डेयमथाष्टमम्
जीवेद्वर्षशतं सोऽपि शतम्
शतम्
जीवेद्वर्षशतं सोऽपि
जीवेद्वर्षशतं सोऽपि
सर्वव्याधिविवर्जिता.
सर्वव्याधिविवर्जिता.
Right.
Thank you.
Welcome. Yes, Alankrita. Alankrita, unmute. Say, Ashwathama
Shvatama
Balirvyaso
Alirvasya
Hanumanascha
Hanumanasya
Vibhishanaha
Vibhishwanaha
Kripaha
Kripaha
Parashuраmascha
Parashuramasya
Saptaite
Saptaite
Chiranjeevinaha
Chiranjeevinaha
Saptaitan
Saptaitan
Samsmare Nityam
Tam Pare Nityam
Markande
Markande
Yamathashtamam
Namatashna
Yamathashtamam
Yamatasvata
Jivedvarsha
Jivetavasya
Dvarsha
Dvarsha
Shatam Sopi
Satam Chopi
Sarvavyadhi
Sarvabhradi
Vyadhi
Vyadi
Vivarjita.
Vivarjita.
Very good. After that, Ananya.
Can they repeat behind you?
Yeah. See. Ashwathama
Ashwatthama
Balirvyaso
Balirvyaso
Hanumanascha
Hanumanascha
Vibhishanaha
Vibhishanaha
Kripaha
Kripaha
Parashuramascha
Parashuramascha
Saptaite
Saptaite
Chiranjeevinaha
Chiranjeevinaha
Saptaitan
Saptaitan
Samsmare Nityam Samsmare Nityam
Smare Nityam
Markande
Markanday
Yamathashtamam
Yamadashtamam
Jivedvarsha
Jivetvarsha
Shatam Sopi
Shatam Supi
Sarvavyadhi
Sarvavyadhi
Vivarjita.
Vivarjita.
Yes, very nice. Surja ma'am, sorry.
Yes, ma'am. 1 second. I'll try to read myself, okay?
Sure.
Ashwathama Baliyashwo
Balirvyaso
Valirvyaso Hanumanascha Vivishanaha Kripaha Parashuramascha Sateita
Saptaite
Saptaite Chiranjivinaha Saptaitan Samsmare Nityam Markandeya, one second. Markandeyamatha Ashtamam. Jive Darsha Shatam Sopi.
जीवे द्वर्ष
Jive Dwarsha Satam Sopi. Swarva Vyadhi Vivarjita.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Well done. Vaishnavi, you said or you left? You left, na? I think so.
Ma'am, can I repeat?
Yeah. Ashwathama. You want to say or you want to repeat?
Repeat.
Ashwathama Balirvyaso
Ashwattama Balirvyaso
Hanumanascha
Hanumanascha
Vibhishanaha
Vibhishanaha
Kripaha Parashuramascha
Kripaha Parashuramascha
Saptaite
Saptaite
Chiranjivinaha
Chiranjivinaha
Saptaitan Samsmare Nityam
Saptaitan Samsmare Nityam
Markandeyamatashtamam
Markandeyamathashtamam
Jive Dwarshatam Sopi
Jive Dvarshasatam Shatam Sopi
Sarvavyadhi Vivarjita.
Sarvavyadi Vivarjita.
Very nice. Everybody said. Anybody who is left to say? Who want to repeat again? Yes, Ananya.
Try to see the one.
Yeah, sure.
Ashwattama Balirvyaso Hanumanascha Vibhishanaha Kripa Parashuramascha Saptaite Chiranjeevinaha Saptaitam Smare Nityam Markande Madashtamam
Yamathashtamam
Yamadashtamam Ji
Jive Dvarsha
Jive Dvashtaswatam Stopi
Shatam Sopi
Shatam Sopi Sarvavyadi Vivarjitaha.
Right. Very good. Yes, after that. Yes, Aditya.
Ma'am, may I say it again with the meaning?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry. Ashwathama Balirvyaso Hanumanascha Vibhishanaha Kripa Parashuramascha Saptaite Chiranjivinaha Saptaitan Samsmare Nityam Markandeyamatashtamam Jive Sopi Sarvavyadi Vivarjitaha. So, Ashwathama. Ashwathama is a character in the Mahabharata, Dronacharya's son. He is said to
Don't
be...
tell everything. Just give the meaning.
Ma'am,
I'm going to explain. You don't give description of all everybody because I need to ask others to repeat.
Achha, okay. So, Ashwathama, like if you see the first full two lines, Ashwathama Balirvyaso Hanumanascha Vibhishanaha Kripa Parashuramascha Saptaite Chiranjivinaha. All of these are the 7 Chiranjeevis. I know there are 8, but in these 2 lines there are 7 that are described because it's written Saptaite Chiranjeevinaha. Ashwathama Bali Vyaso Balir Vyasa, Vedvyas, Hanuman, Vibhishan, Kripacharya, Parashuram. And like Kripacharya, Parashuram, and yeah. So then Saptaitan Samsmare Nityam Markandeya Mathashtamam. If you see Markandeya Mathashtamam, that means along with Markandeya. So Markandeya is the 8th here. जीवेद्वर्षशतं सोऽपि सर्वव्याधिविवर्जितः. So जीवेद्वर्षशतं, जीवेद्वर्षा, that means the number of years you live. Shatam sopi is 100. So you will live 100 years. Sarvavyadi vivarjitah. You will be free from all diseases.
Very good. Yes, after that, Alankrita, you want to repeat?
Yes, ma'am.
Say, Alankrita and who wanted to repeat? Yes, Alankrita and Anika, together you will repeat one by one, okay? Come on. I'm saying one word, you have to repeat together, okay? Ashwathama,
Ashwatthama,
Balirvyaso.
Balirvaso,
Anika, I can't hear you. Balirvyaso.
Balirvasyo,
Anika, wait, I can't hear you. I'll ask you to repeat again, okay? Where we are, Balirvyaso. Hanumanascha,
Hanumanasya,
Vibhishanaha,
Vibhishana,
Kripaha,
Kripaha,
Parashuramascha,
Parusharnamasya,
Saptaite,
Saptaite,
Chiranjivinaha,
Chiranjiviha,
Jivinaha,
Jivaniha,
Saptaitan,
Saptaitan,
Samsmare Nityam,
Smare Nityam,
Markande,
Margande,
Yamathashtamam,
Yamatasvanam,
Yamathashtamam,
Yamatasvanam,
Yamathashtamam,
Yamatasnamam,
Jivedvarsha,
Jivedarsha,
Dvarsha,
Dvarsha,
Shatam Sopi,
Tatam Shopi,
Sarvavyadhi,
Sarvabhavi,
Vyadhi,
Yavi,
Vivarjita.
Vivarjita.
Right. Yes, after that, Anika. Come close to mic and say, okay? Ashwathama,
Ashwatthama,
Balirvyaso,
Balirvyaso,
Hanumanascha,
Hanumanjasya,
Vibhishanaha,
Vibhishanaha,
Kripaha,
Kripaha,
Parashuramascha,
Parashunamhasta,
Saptaite,
Saptaite,
Chiranjivinaha,
Jiranjivinaha,
Saptaitan,
Saptaitan,
Samsmare Nityam,
Samsmare Nityam,
Markande,
Markande,
Yamathashtamam,
Ematatanamam,
Yamathashtamam,
Yamatastamam,
Jivedvarsha,
Divejvarsha,
Dvarsha,
Varsha,
Shatam Sopi,
Satam Sopi,
Sarvavyadhi,
Sarvavadi,
Vivarjita.
Vivarjita.
Yes. Yes, Ananya. Yeah.
Ashwatthama Balirvyaso Hanumanascha Vibhishanaha Kripa परशुरामश्च
सप्तैते
सप्तैते चिरञ्जीविनः सप्तैतां स्मरे नित्यं
संस्मरे नित्यं
स्मन्
सं सं
संस्मरे नित्यं मार्कण्डेयमदाष्टमम् जीव जीवेद्वर्ष शतं सोऽपि सर्वव्याधि विवर्जितः.
very nice. Who else wants to try? Yes, Hansika.
अश्वत्थामबलिर्व्यासो हनुमानश्च विभीषणः कृपः परशुरामश्च सप्तैते चिरञ्जीविनः सप्तैतान् संस्मरे नित्यं मार्कण्डेयमताष्टमं जीवेद्वर्षशतं सोऽपि सर्वव्याधिविवर्जितः.
Very nice, very good. Who else wants to say?
Can I?
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
अश्वत्थामा बलिव्यासो हनुमानश्च विभीषण कृपा परशुरामश्च सप्तैते चिरञ्जीविनः सप्तैतं संस्मरे नित्यं sorry,
Yeah, see.
मार्कण्डेयमथाष्टमम् जीवेद्वर्ष षष्टं सोऽपि
Shatam.
जीवेद्वर्ष शतं सोऽपि सर्वव्याधि विवर्जितः. Thank you.
Yes, who else? Yes, Alankrita, what happened?
Ma'am, can I repeat?
Again?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Say, Ashwatthama
Ashwatthama
Balirvyaso
Balirvaso
Hanumanascha
Hanumanasya
Vibhishanaha
Vibhishanaha
Kripaha
Kripaha
Parashuramascha
Parashuramasya
Saptaite
Saptete
Chiranjivinaha
Chiranjeeva
Saptaitan
Saptentan
Samsmare Nityam
Smansare Nityam
Samsmare Nityam
Mare Nityam
Markande
Markande
Yamathashtamam
Yamatashvaram
Jivedvarsha
Jivedarsha
Shatam Sopi
Shatam Sopi
Sarvavyadhi
Sarvavyadi
Vivarjitaha.
Yuvarjitaha.
Anybody else who wants to repeat?
No, ma'am.
Everybody is clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Manasvi. Manasvi, say what you're saying.
Repeat after you.
Yeah, say. Ashwatthama
Shvardhama
Balirvyaso
Baliyasur
Hanumanascha
Hanumanashta
Vibhishanaha
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 Kripaha
Kripaha
Parashuramascha
Pashuramashta
Saptaite
Saptaitai
Saptaite
Saptaitai
विवर्जितः. Sorry. सप्तैते चिरञ्जीविनः. चिरञ्जीविनः.
चिरञ्जीविनः.
सप्तैतान्
सप्तैतान्
संस्मरे नित्यम्.
संस्मरे नित्यम्.
मार्कण्डे
मार्कण्डे
यमथाष्टमम्.
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 जीवेद्वर्ष.
दिनेन्द्रश.
जीवेद्वर्ष.
दिनेन्द्रैष.
शतं सोऽपि.
शतांशोऽपि.
सर्वव्याधि
सर्वव्यापि.
विवर्जितः.
विभजितनः.
जितः.
जितः.
Yes. Okay, everybody is clear with shlok and meaning. Anybody have any doubt with the shlok or meaning? Yes, meaning is very simple. If you remember all these immortal beings, every day you will be always away from all kind of diseases and you will live for 100 years, which is itself in the line. That is, Jive Dvarsha Shatam Sopi. Means Shatam means 100 years. So if you may live 100 years, okay, and you may live a disease-free life if you chant the shlok. That is what they have told in this whole shlok. And it is not only like what they have said, but it is truly believed that chanting this shlok and remembering this all the gods every day, remembering this all the immortal beings every day, helps you to keep you away from all kind of diseases. I may not say like 100 years you will live, but yes, it will keep you away from all kind of diseases. Okay, it is believed that. Okay, so let's see one by one. We will see all the immortal beings. So very first we saw Ashwathama. So you know Ashwathama, he was the son of whom? He was the son of whom? In Mahabharata, he was the son of, yes, Dronacharya. Right. He was the son of Dronacharya. And he was a great warrior also, right? But he did something wrong, right? He did something wrong. What he did? Yes, Aditya.
He killed unborn babies of Draupadi.
Yes, he killed unborn babies of Draupadi. So that mistake he did, and because of that, Krishna cursed him to live forever. He cursed him. He was the one who was cursed that you will live forever, to teach a lesson to him that he will always remember that whatever he had done, it was wrong. The revenge what he took, it was wrong. So in that, he got cursed that he will live for 100, like he will live forever. He will never die. That was the curse he got.
How
That's
was
why
that a curse?
yeah, it was a curse by Lord Krishna to him.
No, but how is that a curse?
Because I think so, he didn't want to leave, but he got that curse that he will live forever now.
He will live forever in pain.
In pain, yeah, definitely. He'll live forever in pain that he had killed someone, he had did something wrong. And because of that, Krishna cursed him to live forever with his wounds and pain, you can say.
Oh yeah, I remember I seen somewhere he had a stone in his forehead, Ashwathama. Krishna plucked it out and oh, endlessly blood was flowing. So he told him throughout the Kali Yuga, your blood will be flowing through this. When you get your stone back, that's a signal that I'm coming back.
Mhm. So this was the curse which Ashwathama got by Lord Krishna. Okay. So
Ma'am,
here you can say that, yes,
he has leprosy too.
yeah, right. Okay, so this was the story behind Ashwathama, like how he got immortal beings in one of the form of immortal beings. Next comes Bali. Who know Bali?
Mahabali?
Yeah, Mahabali. So
The
he was a
one.
king. He was a demon actually. Bali was a demon, but he was very kind demon, you can see. Like
He's
he
a
never, yeah,
He's a
Shriyari,
he's a demon king.
sorry.
Demon king.
Yeah, he was a demon king, right? But he was very kind. Okay, he was very kind. He used to rule with love. Like he was a demon, but he used to rule with he used to rule with love. So one day Vishnu ji came in the form of Vamana avatar. Okay, and asked him like you can step three three steps of land. So, with these three steps, Vishnu covered the whole universe. Still, Bali kept his promise. Like Vishnu was so pleased, he made Bali immortal and gave him the place, you can say, where he can rule. Underworld, he gave him a place where he can rule, and he can always keep his promise, and he will be always humble. It took three steps. He took three steps,
What
and
promise did he keep?
sorry.
No, what promise did he keep? What promise did he keep?
That he will he will always, even though he was a king, but he will always have love towards others. He will never do something wrong which can hurt anyone.
Oh,
Okay, because demon, we always think demon, that means they'll do something wrong, but he was a demon who used to do always good things. So
so why
that
was he
promise
even
he
called a
kept.
demon?
But he was a demon. It was not like me I'm calling, but he was a demon. Bali was a demon. Next comes Ved Vyas.
Ma'am,
Everybody know about Ved Vyas. Yes. Who told ma'am? Yes, go ahead.
that's why we celebrate Onam.
Onam.
Onam. Onam is celebrated for Bali.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. In Kerala.
Oh, okay.
That's why we cook all the dishes and keep for him so that he can come and have. He likes to eat a lot. That's
Oh,
why in Kerala they create 41 dishes for him and they keep
Huh?
41.
41 dishes.
Nice.
Oh my God.
So, 41 in temples, you might go and keep it in temples, no? Or
No,
at
ma'am, we keep
home?
it in the house and we welcome him.
Oh.
How
And
can you
41
keep 41 dishes in your house without going and eating all of them?
You make all small things, no? So that doesn't matter.
That's the. But why 41? I have always heard about Chappan Bhog, like 56 items I have always
Huh?
heard about.
Yeah, 56 is like big one, but I don't know. It's a tradition. They keep 41. Must
But
be
why
there.
do you keep 41, 56? Why do you keep so many dishes?
I have
for
always heard about
Mahabali.
56. What? Sorry? Somebody said something.
For Mahabali. He ate a lot. We
Okay.
welcome him and we eat that.
Mm.
Oh.
So 56 Chappan Bhog is applied to, and I can say applied, but it is offered to Krishna. You know why? Whenever
On
you
which
visit
festival? On
to,
which festival?
no, not only,
Onam.
yeah, on his festival, so definitely we apply Chappan Bhog. But even if you go, I think so, in normal, usual days also in Vrindavan or somewhere, they always have 50 Chappan Bhog, like
In
56 Bhog.
Puri Jagannath temple
Yeah,
every
yeah,
day,
yeah.
morning, evening, and night, Chappan
Yeah,
Bhog.
so why that Chappan, why that word 56 comes? Do you have any idea?
Is
You know,
Krishna
I have
really
just heard, I can't say 100% I'm sure, but yeah, 90% I can say I'm true. So Krishna used to like to eat a lot, right? And he used to eat every day 8 times. He used to take
Huh?
8 meals. And every 8 meals he used to have like fresh 8 meals. So Yashoda used to cook for him 8 meals. So when he lift up that mountain, which was that mountain?
Govardhan.
Govardhan mountain, right? When he left that mountain, so he left that mountain, I think so, for continuous 7 days,
Yeah.
right? And he used to eat for 8 times. So 7 into 8,
What?
56. So this was the thing, like all the people who were there under that mountain, they told that he protected us for 7 days, and he used to like to eat for 8 times. So he skipped his meal for 8 times for 7 days. So now it is like they offered him Chappan Bhog.
So they offer him 56 food.
Food
Because
every
for
day.
the energy. Because for the energy.
Yes,
Ma'am, if only I was
energy.
Krishna.
He used to love to eat food.
Ma'am, if only I was Krishna or
energy, ma'am.
Gandhi, I would have eaten Chappan Bhog.
So that's why in Jagannath Puri, in Jagannath Puri, every day they have Chappan Bhog in morning and in the evening also.
And there's one
Chappan
story
is
there.
the reason where it is like for 7 days he lifted that mountain and he used to eat for 8 times. So 7 into 8 is 56. They offered this by the love what they had towards him.
But actually, in Jagannath Puri, how even if they offer 56 bhog and all that, okay, lakhs of people visit that temple. It's not even in 3, 4 digits. No, lakhs of people visit that temple. Still,
But there you
it is always no one can like decode it that food never goes waste there, and food
never.
they can never say there is no more food. There is perfect food for how many ever people.
Yeah, that is
Have you
miracle
been
what
to
happens.
Jagannath Puri Temple? In Puri Temple, you can visit the kitchen. Ma'am, it is a magical place because they cook on steam. So they will have
Ah,
new pots every day. Okay. They don't use pots, unused pots. So they have new pots every day and they put pots over pots, and there is fire in the end. So all the pots get cooked by steam. Okay. And they don't use imported vegetables like potato is not used, tomato. They only use vegetables that are
fresh
grown and
grew.
originally from India, right? So it is mostly pumpkin and yeah, other stuff. So very
Dudhi and
limited,
all,
but
yeah.
with those limited vegetables, they cook 56 items every day, morning, evening, and night. So it is nothing sort of magic, and there are a lot of stories in it. So I'm going to visit Puri next week. Actually, it's one of
Oh.
my favorite places.
I have never went over there, but yeah, we
Neither
will
have
be
I.
planning
You should
soon.
visit once to know the story and to visit the compound, because inside the compound you have, I don't know, more than 50 or 100 temples, small
Huh?
temples
Oh,
also.
seriously?
Yeah. Yes. So you have like Lakshmi temple, you have Vimala Devi, who is also a Shakti Peeth, who is the consort of Jagannath. So once the prasadam is offered to Jagannath, that same prasad will be offered to Vimala Devi,
Oh,
Uttishta, and then it becomes Mahaprasad. The
oh,
Uttishta becomes Mahaprasad. So that's why it's very important to visit Jagannath and Vimala Devi and also the Lakshmi, because Annapurna, they always pray to Annapurna in the
Annapurna.
kitchen.
Yeah.
And there are stories, ma'am, if there is something wrong in the food, they will be visited by a dog in the kitchen. So once there
Oh,
is a dog sighting in the kitchen, they know there is something wrong with the food, so they will bury all the food, right? And they will
What?
start cooking again from the scratch.
oh my God.
Whenever
Yes,
a dog visits the kitchen.
yes. And dogs roam around very freely in the compound, okay? But if the dog comes in the kitchen, that's a sign that the
Something
bhog
is wrong
is
with the food.
wrong. Yeah. And also there are bearers who carry the food from the kitchen to the temple, okay? The bearer should be completely disease free. So if they have the cold or something, they cannot carry the prasadam. So to carry the prasadam, they actually use pahalwan. They look like pahalwans and they are completely disease free. Otherwise you cannot carry the bhog.
What?
Oh,
Yes.
nice.
I have to go there now.
Please do.
Even I
It's a
have to visit.
magical place. There is a place where in front of Jagannath, in the pillar, you will see two holes. That is where Chaitanya Dev used to stand and keep his hand, and that actually became a mark there. So even Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to come and visit Puri temple, Jagannath temple.
Who used to visit?
Chaitanya
Chaitanya
Mahaprabhu.
Mahaprabhu.
Oh, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
Yes, and there is a place
Oh.
you will see his finger marks on the pillar. So
Oh.
it's a very wonderful place, ma'am. It's a magical place
It
for
is
me.
miracle place. It
There
is
are
Yes,
said
many
yes,
like it is
stories.
miracle.
Like there is one Sudarshan chakra kept on the top. It's like this shape.
yes.
However you rotate around the temple, it will look the same at every angle.
And ma'am, it's there is one more story. Sorry, I know I'm taking the time, but there's
No,
one more
it's
thing.
okay. We are
Every
happy
day,
to hear.
in the evening, 5 o'clock, someone climbs, you will see that person will
They'll put the
climb
flag. They'll put the
and
flag.
change the flag. Now, this is, you will see it, you can go and check it. If the wind flows this way, the flag will flow this way.
In opposite
Always.
direction.
That
I've
has
heard
even
Always.
that has even a scientific principle because the flag is
Yes.
in a triangular shape due to
Yeah. He's stuck. He's stuck or I'm
the
stuck?
surface area
No,
being
he's
less at the
stuck.
tip than here. It flows up in the wind. Am I stuck now? Hello?
Yeah.
Hello? Okay.
Now you're clear.
That flag is a triangular flag. So its surface area is very less here compared to here. So when the wind hits like in this direction, it hits more here. So the flag tends to come this side more. So that's how it's scientifically also explained like that. But
Yes.
those days when the temple was built, there was no S of science. So I don't know how they did that.
It is so
Ma'am?
amazing, ma'am, and I actually followed everything. There are no birds that will fly over the temple, and you
That
No
is
can
also
see
bird.
it.
true.
You can see it, and it's amazing. You know, you
No
need to
bird,
visit
no
Puri
plane,
Jagannath
nothing.
temple once, and they don't allow any foreigners to go inside.
Ma'am?
Really?
Yes. If, you know, in the line, I've seen it, there was someone from a different religion. Okay. We had no idea. The panda, right? They came and just hit the stick on the head and say, you are not allowed to enter. And we were like, why? Because that person was from another religion. So you have to be a Hindu and you have to be an Indian to enter that temple.
Oh,
Ma'am?
yes.
If I'm a Hindu but in another country, I cannot enter the temple.
You can. You have to be an Indian and you have to be a Hindu. So even if you are not a Hindu, you disguise yourself. The Purohits, the Pandas, they just know. They just know. I don't know how. They just know. They will stop you.
What?
Yes, Shri Hari.
Ma'am, some news says the Jagannath Puri, the Jagannath's heart is beating.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is said. Krishna's heart is there in Jagannath heart.
Yeah, the story is when Krishna died, his heart,
Still
came
alive.
to, yeah, it came in Bay of Bengal and they, put it in that neem tree. There are a lot of stories, ma'am. If I
Yeah.
go, then it will be endless. So
No,
I'll stop
and
here.
it's like even the sea, like it's of course, right? Obviously, you hear sea waves, but when you enter that, what do you call the temple? Like when you cross the door, even if it's an open area, you cannot hear the sea.
Yes.
You can
Yeah.
only hear what's happening inside.
Ma'am, it's the same with Rishikesh. Have you noticed? Like in Rishikesh, you will not hear the Ganga.
Ganga,
I've
yeah.
gone to Rishikesh. That's
Yeah.
happened. Like I was crossing, like I was going on boat. Only on the boat I could hear. But when I went inside the temple,
No.
it's like zero
And
sound.
even water is flowing so fast, but still you
Fast.
can't hear that
There was some
Yeah.
curse to Ganga. No, Ganga was requested not to make noise in Rishikesh.
noise.
That's why
Yeah.
during that stage you can't. Ma'am, all these magical things, I don't know, mystical, magical things, it's like it inspires me to spirituality even more.
Yeah. But we have something is there.
Yes.
Some
And
supernatural power.
Aditya just mentioned
There.
about the stone from Ashwatthama's forehead. That was in
Yeah.
some Marvel movie, right?
That is in Kalki 2898 AD.
No, that was used in some Marvel movie recently, right? That guy, he had a stone on his
Vision.
forehead. Sorry?
I think it is
Vision.
Moonlight or Moonlight, something like that.
Yeah,
No,
someone like that. So
They
even
represent
Hollywood is
Ashwatthama, correct?
stealing our concept, man. They have movies where they are showing multiverses, which is actually explained in Gita and other
Gita,
texts.
yeah, that's true.
So everything is old for a
Ma'am, can we do the
Yes.
question answers, please?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
What happened,
okay.
Alankrita?
Can I go to washroom?
Yeah, go. Yes, let me first tell you about all the immortal beings. So Ved Vyasa, everybody know, he was a great sage. He wrote Mahabharata, like he dictated Mahabharata and Ganesha wrote it. He have wrote many other scriptures and he got that boon that he will be immortal. Hanumanji, everybody know about Hanumanji. Like after that come Bibhishan. Bibhishan was Ravana's youngest brother, and when Ravana did wrong, Vibhishan, like he tried to stop Ravana, but he didn't stop. Then Vibhishana came to Ramji. He helped Ramji, and Ramji blessed him with immortality. So this is how Vibhishana got immortality. Kripacharya, he was the teacher of Kauravas, right? During Mahabharata war, and he was very calm, very wise, very polite. So because of that, as he was very good teacher, he was very calm and very fair person, you can say. He got the boon of this thing, immortality. Parshuram, he was one of the avatar of Vishnu, and he was yes, somebody want to say something? No. Okay. So Parshurama, he was the one of the avatar of Vishnu, and he was there to do justice. Okay, so he killed one of the king who was what was his name? Ashtachiranjeevi. No, sorry. We did one shloka of that king. What was the name of that king? Who has thousands of hand? Who was that?
Raja वो 10 स्वर्ण मात्र ने wait.
Why I'm not getting his name?
Wait, which one that's
Kartavirya Arjuna.
Ka?
He killed he killed not only Kartavirya Arjuna, he killed many
Kartik.
kings. But yeah, he killed one of the biggest king, who was Kartavirya Arjuna, because even though Kartavirya Arjuna got many powers, he got a power of thousands of hands. Like he has two hands, but those two hands had a power of thousands of hands. And that blessings he got from Dattatreya. But after that blessings, he used to do many wrong things. He used to take that, he took that thing in a wrong way. And one day he killed the cow, which he kidnapped the cow, which was known as Kamadhenu, and which was the cow of Parshuram's father. So to teach him a lesson, Parshuram killed him. So here, because of his strength and because of his fight towards injustice, Parshuram got this boon that he will live forever and he will always do justice towards others. So this was the story of Parshurama. Markandeya, Markandeya's story was like, even
He was like a sage, ma'am. May I say Markandeya story? See, there was this sage, so he went and he wanted a son. So he went and asked Shivji, did a lot of penance. Shivji told, okay, I'll give you a very like all Buddha son, a very virtuous son. Okay, with all gunas, very good, but will only live for 60 years.
Yes.
Or I will give you a son who is very ill mannered but will live very long. The sage chose the 16 years one because he was virtuous. They got a son, and on his 16th birthday, both the like father and mother started crying. So that's when the son went and asked them, "Ki like what happened? Okay, why are you crying on my birthday?" Then they told him the entire story. He said, "I'll not die. I will go and pray to Shivji." He went to the area. He put a shivling and he prayed to Shivji very hard. But then God of death is who Yamadev. So Yamadev came, he took him on the rope and he said, "Death waits for nobody, come." Okay, so he was coming in, but he was still finishing his prayers for Shivji. Shivji came and banned Yama's entry on earth and told him that you will live forever. But the secret is every all of us have a birthday now, like where we turn 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. So Markandeya, even if it crossed his birthday, he would never turn 17. He would always be 16 years. So even because Yamadev's entry was banned on the earth was getting overcrowded. So earth pleaded to Shivji and Parvati to allow Yamadev to come on earth. So that's when he was okay, and Yamadev started coming on earth after that.
Yes, that's true.
Ma'am, now can we do question answers?
It's already 11:05.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
2 questions I have.
You want to ask?
Yeah, 2 to 3.
Come on,
That's it.
ask. Okay, you can go ahead.
Okay. The Tantric Hanuman Tantra, okay, the tradition refers to Hanuman as equal to Bhairav and a master of elemental control. In this context, which form is not part of the 5 phase Panchamukhi face. If you see on the doors and all, we'll have Panchmukhi Hanuman. Like there's a shloka called Panchmukhi Hanuman Kavach that talks about all his 5 faces. Out of that, in these 4 options that I'll give, which one is not a face? I'll tell you. Horse, boar, Rudra, or lion. Urdhva.
Rudra.
Huh?
Rudra.
Rudra, okay. Who else answers? Horse, boar, Rudra, or lion?
Can you repeat the options?
Horse, like horse-headed, boar-headed, Rudra, like the Rudra Abhishek that we have, and lion-headed.
Rudra.
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 Rudra,
Rudra.
yes.
It's a very obvious answer, Rudra. Okay, that's correct. Next one. In Bhavishya Kul tradition, which Chiranjeevi, said to reside invisibly among Vanars, okay, is described in the Ramayanam as guardian of Dharma? Vibhishan, Parshuram, Kripacharya, or Hanuman?
Hanuman.
Very easy, Hanuman. Okay, this is a little hard. Okay. Which Chiranjeevi is said to travel nightly? No, not this. Which Chiranjeevi's immortality isn't directly named in the Mahabharata, but is inferred from his role in Harivamsha. Like this Chiranjeevi is not mentioned in Mahabharata. Like he is a character in Mahabharata, but his getting Chiranjeevi is not mentioned in that. It's mentioned in something else called Harivamsha. So who is that? Vibhishana, Bali, Ashwathama, or Kripacharya?
Is it Bali?
Bali, okay. Any more answer?
Vibhishan, he is not in Mahabharata.
I'm asking the character in Mahabharata whose
Oh,
Chiranjeevi,
character in Mahabharata. Okay.
but getting the Chiranjeevi was not mentioned in Mahabharata. It was mentioned in Harivamsh. Ashwathama, Kripacharya, Bali, or Vibhishana?
Yes, Bhavya.
Kripacharya.
Kripacharya, okay.
Yes, Vaishnavi.
Kripacharya.
Okay. I said Kripacharya and Ashwathama. Both have got Chiranjeevi and both were in Mahabharata. But Kripacharya is correct. Okay, ma'am, this is the last one. Okay. Now, this one is from our shloka itself. Like it's about our shloka that we did today. This shloka Ashwath, it is part of which Homa? Ayush Homa, Mrityunjaya Homa, Pashupata Homa, or Chandi Homa?
The first Homa.
The second one.
Okay, I'll repeat the options. Mrityunjaya Homa, Pashupata Homa, Chandi Homa, or Ayush Homa?
Ayush Homa.
Ayush Homa, okay.
Yes.
Then, any more answer?
What is the first option?
Mrityunjaya Homa.
Enjoy.
Ayush Homa.
That's also related to this Chiranjeevi thing only, Mrityunjaya Homa.
I'll go with option 1.
Mrityunjaya Homa. Okay, equal answers. We'll need one more. One more answer.
It's okay, Aditya. Come on, continue. You're already
Okay,
too late.
Mrityunjay Homa, just to fasten up process.
Okay, Mrityunjaya Homa. 2 answers for Mrityunjaya Homa. See, both were related to Chiranjeevis, but Mrityunjaya Homa, as the name suggests, is wrong. It's Ayush.
It is enemies.
Yeah, it is enemies. It's Ayush Homa. Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you, Aditya. Thank you so much. Okay, let's move to the end of the session. We are very late today. Keep your hands on your thighs. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. 3 times Om and 3 times Brahmari.
Brahmi.
Take a position for Brahmari, everybody. Mm.
Rub your palms. Don't open your eyes before that. Rub your palms. Keep
Rub
on
your palms.
Blink your eyes and massage your face.
Open your eyes. Blink your eyes and massage your face. Okay, all of you, please try to chant the shlokas in your daily life. Okay, thank you so much, all of you. Take care. Jai Shri Krishna. Bye. Good day.
Jai
Jai
Shri
Shri
Krishna,
Krishna.
ma'am. Thank you so
Bye.
much.
Thank you, ma'am. Jai
Thank
Shri
you.
Krishna.
Bye. Jai Shri Krishna.